Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make probiotic rice at home. First, choose your preferred rice, like white or brown, ensuring it's of good quality. Next, rinse the rice well under cool water until the water runs clear. This removes extra starch. Then, soak the clean rice in filtered water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight, to prepare it for the next steps. Once your rice is soaked, it's time to cook it. Prepare the rice as you normally would, aiming for a tender but firm texture. Avoid overcooking, as mushy rice isn't ideal for fermentation. After cooking, spread the rice on a clean tray or plate. Let it cool completely to room temperature, which might take about 30 minutes to an hour, ensuring it's dry to the touch. Now for the exciting part, inoculation. Take a small amount of a probiotic starter, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live cultures, or even a few kefir grains. Gently mix this starter into your cooled rice, ensuring even distribution. Then, transfer the inoculated rice into a clean, airtight container. This creates the perfect environment for fermentation to begin. Let your rice ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 12 to 24 hours. You'll notice a subtle tangy smell and a slightly softer texture, indicating successful fermentation. Once fermented, your probiotic rice is ready. Transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and beneficial for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade probiotic rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.